Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on your local computer using XAMPP in a complete and easy way, even if you are a complete beginner. If you've ever wanted to create your own website without buying hosting or a domain, this is the perfect place to start. By the end of this video, you'll have your own WordPress website running on your computer. And one important thing before we begin, make sure you do not visit wordpress.com. Instead, always go to wordpress.org, because wordpress.org allows you to download the real WordPress files and gives you full control to build your website locally. Now first, open your browser and go to wordpress.org, then download the latest version of WordPress. Once the download is complete, locate the zip file on your computer and extract it. After extracting, open the WordPress folder and copy all the files inside it. Now navigate to your XAMPP installation directory, open the htdocs folder, and then open your file folder where you want to set up your project. Paste all the copied WordPress files into this folder. Next, open your XAMPP control panel and start both Apache and MySQL services. Wait until both of them turn green, which means your local server is running properly. After that, open your browser again and go to Localhost, then click on phpMyAdmin. Inside phpMyAdmin, create a new database and name it WordPress, then click Create. Your database is now ready. Now go back to your browser and in the address bar type localhost/file, then press Enter. The WordPress installation setup page will now appear on your screen. Choose your preferred language and continue to the next step. Click on Let's Go, then enter your database details where the database name will be WordPress. Username will be root, and you can leave the password empty. Click Submit and proceed to run the installation. Now you will be asked to enter your website details such as site title, admin username, password, and email address. Fill in all the required details carefully and then click on Install WordPress. Within a few seconds, the installation process will complete successfully. After that, click on Login and enter your username and password to access the WordPress dashboard. And just like that, your WordPress website is successfully installed on your local system using XAMPP. Now you can start customizing your website, installing themes, adding plugins, and building your project without needing a live server. This is one of the best ways to practice and learn WordPress before publishing your site online. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.